This is a 2016 Honda Odyssey, gray over gray leather interior, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power driver's seat, leather wrap steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, home link for your garage door, push button start, satellite radio, electronic climate control, USB for your cell phone, heated seats, power moonroof. There's a look at the second row. Dual power sliding doors, aluminum wheels, backup camera, power tailgate. There's a look at the storage behind the third row seats. Those seats fold down as well for more storage. This vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter 6-cylinder engine, so it's got lots of power. And like all vehicles at Mercedes-Benz of Wesley Chapel, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.